Hello बच्चों, today I am going to start chapter 10, that is circle. Exercise 10A I will start today. In this exercise, let us understand the concept. You are aware with this shape named circle. This is the center of the circle. If you draw a line touching the 2 points on the circumference, let us name it AB, then it is called a chord. Let us name the center with letter O. If you draw the perpendicular from the center to this chord like this, means you are drawing perpendicular. The angle between, you can say, take it C, angle ACO is 90 degree. If you are doing this, then the line AB, chord AB is divided into two equal parts. This implies that AC is equal to BC. This is actually a theorem. I am not going to explain theorem this time because theorems will require a classroom activity, a discussion for the provement of the theorem. And the last three chapters after chapter 6, chapter 7, 8, 9, they are also chapter based on the proof activity. All the questions are the proof. So for the understanding of those chapters and questions, we will discuss in the classroom later on. Wherever the numerical activity is to be done, means the calculation involving problems, you can solve those problems, and these can be explained on the lecture on the YouTube. That's why I am doing this. Then it is a theorem. If you draw perpendicular from the center to the chord, wherever you do, whatever the situation, suppose this is a chord, this is center. If you are drawing perpendicular like this chord is divided into two equal parts. It is a theorem and it is a set rule. And this is called the radius AO. Then in triangle ACO, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Means AC square plus CO square is equal to AO square. This is called the Pythagoras theorem. And if the values of certain segment has been given, then you can calculate by using this. Simply what I want to explain, for the purpose of exercise 10A, there is a circle would be given, or there would be a chord and perpendicular drawn from the center to the circle to the chord, and it will divide the chord. This consideration you have to find out yourself. Let us take question 1. Question is saying, in circle 10 centimeter long chord is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the circle. Find the length of a chord at a distance of 5 centimeter. This question is a quite large question, but let us explain. Question is saying you draw circle with radius 10 centimeter. No, radius has not been given. 10 centimeter long chord at a distance means length of the chord. Let this is the chord AB. AB is equal to, has been given 10 centimeter. This is the center. Distance of 12 centimeter from the center means this perpendicular distance. This has been given 12 OC. And you can calculate this value. But one thing you have to understand, since for the solution point OC is perpendicular to AB, means when you measure distance of a line from a point, it is measured always a perpendicular distance. This you should know. This is a fact, and I think you would be knowing from your previous classes. Otherwise, this is a fact. Suppose there is a line and you want to measure distance of this line from this point, then you will always measure perpendicular distance, not like this any other direction. It is perpendicular. That's why the distance 12 is perpendicular, and when it is perpendicular, this implies that AC is equal to AB upon 2. AC is equal to AB upon 2 means 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. Now in triangle ACO, AC square plus CO square is equal to AO square. Then 12 to the square plus 12 square plus 5 square is equal to AO square, or AO square is equal to 144 plus 25. AO is equal to under root 169. AO is equal to 13. AO is coming 13 centimeter. When you have got AO, AO means the radius. Now further question is saying find the length of chord at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. Now you have another chord is being drawn. This is at a distance of 5 centimeter. Now you can take it OD and PQ. Now OD has been given 5 centimeter and the radius remains the same. PO is equal to the same radius 13 centimeter. Again in triangle PDO, this will be PD square plus DO square is equal to PO square. PD square you can find. DO means 5 to the square and this is 13 to the square. PD square is plus 25 is equal to 169. PD square is equal to 169 minus 25. PD is equal to under root 144. PD is equal to 12 centimeter. Now PD is coming 12 this much. Since OD is perpendicular to PQ, this implies that PQ will be twice of PD. Means if whole length of the chord has been given and the perpendicular is drawn, you can divide the chord by 2 to obtain the half of the chord, that is AC. In this case you are calculating PD. PD means half of the chord length you are calculating. If you want to find out the total length of the chord, then you will have to make it twice, because these are the similar two parts. Means, or rather you can say D is the midpoint of chord PQ. Then 2 into 12, that is equal to 2 into 12, 24 centimeter. In this way calculation will go on. Whatever the concept you have to apply, simply there would be chord, there would be perpendicular distance, or the question also saying one thing you also understand. If chord has been given, this is center of the circle. If it is being said this, the line segment is joined midpoint of the chord to the center, means line joining midpoint of the chord AB, that is DC, to the center OCO, then it would be perpendicular. Two things you are finding here. If perpendicular is drawn to the chord, it bisect it, means C is midpoint. If line center is joined to the midpoint of the chord C, then the line segment OC would be perpendicular. These two way the theorem would be given in your books. You can go through the theorem and don't go for the proof. This I will explain in the class, but this time you simply understand the concept for solving the question. What you have to observe for the question and how to use this Pythagoras theorem in the question, how to utilize. Then solve today this exercise and we will discuss later on. And whatever the problems you feel, you can ask me by sending the question and your solution also to my number. Thank you.